Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Taco Bell Creamy Jalapeno Sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us. I appreciate you being here today. Like I said, we're making creamy Taco Bell Creamy Jalapeno Sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 3/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapenos, 3 tablespoons of that juice from those jalapenos, a dash of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to take our little blender here, and we basically want to take all of the ingredients and put them in to the blender. So we'll start with our sour cream, our mayonnaise. Go ahead and put our pickled juice in there, our jalapeno pickle juice, the jalapenos. Let me get some of that off of there. Then we just add all our herbs and spices in there, our cumin, our paprika, our garlic, our onions, a little bit of salt and pepper, sugar, the cocoa. Cocoa will give it a little bit of umami and some savory, deep, rich flavoring. And then our cayenne pepper in there. We're going to bring up our mighty machine up here. Go ahead and blend it up. Oh, there you go. Smells fantastic. We're going to put this into a dish, make a photo shoot, come back, give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Alright, awesome photos. Let's give it a taste here. You can see the richness, how thick that is. I'm just gonna, how it sticks to the chip. A lot in there. You can see all the different colors of the seasonings that are in there. So we'll go ahead and give it a taste here and see what's going. Yeah, the acidity of the sour cream and the mayonnaise blended together gives it a really good creamy flavor and texture. All the seasonings in there, taste that cumin on top of everything. Jalapenos are spicy. That juice in there really adds a little bit of a element to it in itself. Yeah, it's a good sauce. Hope you enjoy it. Taco Bell Creamy Jalapeno Sauce. Don't forget to give it a try. Recipe is in the description box. Check out the description box for a lot of other groovy stuff too. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourself. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.